Hello guys and welcome back on channel From Zero to Millionaire. Today we will be speaking about application who will let you earn money sharing your internet connection. Yes, you hear good, you can earn money sharing your internet connection. And bonus, if you're creating account from my referral link, you get for the start $5. Minimum to pay out is $20. So you need to earn only $15 to make first payout from this program. So now making this longer, I want to present you application who let you earning passive income from sharing internet. This application is HoneyGain and they allow you earn money when you sharing your internet connections. Depends what country you are, what address IP, how many devices you have on one IP, and how is speed your internet. Is all things depends how many you get passive income from this application. This application work on all type of devices, Windows, Linux, macOS, iOS, Android device. So you can connect all of the devices what do you have and start accumulated money from all devices one time. How looks estimation earnings on this platform? If you have daily traffic shared about 2 gigabytes and the daily content delivery is 0, you can earn per month $6. But if we change daily traffic share for a little bigger, for example 11 gigabytes per month, you can earn $33 per month. If we change daily content delivery, for example 8 hours, you have 34, but if we push 24 hours content delivery is 37. If we changing for 20 gigabytes, we have 64 per month if we use 10 device what is recommended. So it's very nice salary. How many is to pay out? $20. So it's good to earn some passive income from this platform. Like I spoke, amount of the earnings is depends of your location, the number of IP address what you have, and network ping speed. So how fast is your network? How to start with this HoneyGain application? First, set up application. HoneyGain can be installed on any Windows, Linux, macOS, or Android device with a stable internet connection. Run HoneyGain. Once active, HoneyGain security shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Let gather. HoneyGain use your internet connection to gather bits of the information that's publicly available online. Help business. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and verified business process. Get paid. User earn money for all traffic they shared and can choose the received payouts in PayPal, Bitcoin, or JMPT. So now we know how looks the flow, earnings in this platform. Now we can create account on this program. Go to my link to grab $5 bonus on the registration from my referral link, and you should see something like this. Push button, claim $5 now. Next, type your email, create password, and sign up. When you create account and you see the report, go to in first step make verification address email. So in the top right corner you should see a button to make verification. Push on this button. After this, you should get email with verification. Push button from your email from HoneyGain, and you have validate your address email and your account is validated. Next step is download your application from your computer, for your phone. It depends how many devices you have, and start sharing internet to get some money. Like you see, we have here a download app for macOS, for Android, for Windows, for iOS, for Linux. When you download this application, in my case, I have macOS, so I download for the macOS. It will be show up the App Store, and you can install it directly from the App Store. After download, you should open this application, and don't forget log into your account using this login and password what you use to create account by web page. And now you should see it's an active account and your balance and you will see the starting ordering. To be sure you are logging to this platform through this application, you should see here button logout. So if you see logout, it means you are logged in and this money going to your account. When you log in, your device should be appeared little below in the dashboard. Like you see, it's my MacBook and below is my iPhone. So I have two devices connected to this platform to start earning money from this platform. The same way you install in the iPhone, you can use this link from here, and you install from iOS, or use your App Store directly on the phone and install this application. Don't forget login into this application to get money on your account. The same is for Windows, for Android, for Linux. So it's a normal installation, login, and start enable earning money. Next thing is enable content delivery, and it's a second way to earning money from this platform. So you have option to earn money on content delivery and gathering, so sharing internet from your devices. Next option is refer friends to this platform. You find link to your referral on the left from the many referrals. And here's your link. You can copy and send to your friends. And when you send you this to friends, they should be see a web page similar for this page. So how working this referral program? Take a look a little below. So invite friends and earn a lifetime bonus. Everyone who join HoneyGain using your referral link gets $5 for a start, like a gift, and you earn a forever bonus equal to 10% of their earnings. So it's very nice. If they earn $1,000, you get $100. So it's very nice option to earn money with this company. Another option to earn money is Lucky Pot, what is the daily bonus when you log into this dashboard. So like you see, Lucky Pot is a game that a part of HoneyGain experience and allow user to win up to 10,000 credits. It's around $10 every day and reach the minimum payout threshold of $20 faster. If you meet the after mentioned rules and are you active HoneyGain user, you might notice that on the dashboard right side corner is showing notification that you can win credits daily. Simply click on the try your luck button to open Lucky Pot. So like you see on this image, this is it's right bottom corners, and you should see this banner, and when you see this banner, you can push on it and start open the honey jar. So maximum is $10, the 10,000 credits. So this can be 10 credits or 5,000 credits or 10,000 credits. It depends how lucky you are. When you open, you see how many credits you earned. How to check how many you earning per days, per week, and how to read the dashboard. So right top corner is earned today, and you see how many earned you today, so many gatherings you have from sharing internet and from others. In my case, is from registration from referral link. Next, we have information how many earning is from last 13 days. It's information what type. At the moment, I have two types, but this kind of types is more because we have other gathering, content delivery, referrals, and winnings from this jar. And we have earnings from last 13 days in another option, and is separated by percent, how many percent this type has in your earnings from last 13 days. Below we have active devices and how many they transferred megabytes in sharing internet. If we want to get from older history, on the left we have transaction history, what we can check. I just started, so I have only 1 day, but if we will be making this every days, this history will be longer, so you can look this over 1 month. If you're searching some history from over 1 month, you can find it here. So if you have any question, please put these comments below this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.